Hey everybody, it's Brandon Robinson, your friendly sales manager down here at Medicine Hat Toyota. About to head down to the car show here at the Medicine Hat Mall, so really excited for that. Going to show off our new 2021 Toyota Supra. I know you guys have seen it all before, but thought we'd show it off one more time and get out in the community and really get engaged and meet some fellow car lovers like ourselves. So if you're interested in the Supra or any other vehicle here at Medicine Hat Toyota, just come on down. Again, my name is Brandon Robinson, sales manager here at Medicine Hat Toyota, and we look forward to meeting you in person soon. Thanks.